EasyLift Equipment's counterbalanced drum transporters with DC-powered lift are designed to lift and transport steel, plastic, or fiber-chimed drums. Counterbalanced drum transporters are the ideal solution for picking or placing drums from the side of a pallet or reaching into a cabinet. Before using the transporter, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic lines and fittings to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous use. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor prior to using. The drum transporter seen here features our DC-powered lift system, which is powered by two 12-volt AGM deep cycle batteries housed in a closable cabinet with a hydraulic lift motor, internal charger, master disconnect switch, and gauge-type battery discharge indicator. Do not operate the unit while charging or with the extension cord plugged in. Doing so could cause damage to the unit. A polarized heavy-gauge extension cord is required for charging. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that up and down functions are in proper working order. Rate of descent is controlled by the flow control valve. Without a load, the clamp will descend at a slower rate. The flow control valve is to control the speed of descent with a drum, which is factory preset and should not be adjusted without consulting EasyLift equipment. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. To pick a drum, push the drum transporter to the pallet and lower the hydraulic cylinder by pushing the down button so the clamping mechanism is below the drum's chime. Keep the clamping mechanism pressed tightly against the side of the drum and push the up button until the lower clamping jaw engages with the chime of the drum. The weight of the drum will activate the mechanism, causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum. Counterbalanced drum transporters are available in weight capacities from 400 to 800 pounds in 100-pound increments. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is designed for steel and plastic chime drums. The EG2 double clamping mechanism is recommended for working with open top drums, plastic or fiber drums. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. The reach provided by the counterbalance base frame makes this unit ideal for placing drums in cabinets, onto containment pallets, or under pumps. This model is also perfect for placing drums on the side of pallets, scales, or containment pallets where the corner of the pallet is not accessible. The counterbalance frame provides approximately 4 inches of reach with the single clamping mechanism, or 3 inches with the double clamping mechanism. Reach is defined from the front of the transporter's wheel to the back of the drum. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. The narrow 24-inch width of these models enables positioning drums in a straight line and/or removing any of the drums from the line. All models lift the drums to a minimum of 20 inches for picking or placing on pallets, floor scales, or spill containment pallets. We offer additional lift height options to elevate drums as high as 60 inches above floor level. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Alternate powered options are available when DC powered equipment is not permitted. These include manual foot pump, AC powered, air over hydraulic, or pneumatic air tank. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. Additional available options include scale systems for verifying weight or performing inventory, FDA-approved powder coating, stainless steel construction, and a handbrake. We offer a 30-day free trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.